Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets YouTube tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a subscribe button to all of your YouTube videos. So as you can see here on another channel that I have for making a website, I have a little subscription button that hovers over all of my YouTube videos, where if someone were to click on that or hover over that, it allows them to subscribe to my channel. So doing this can be a great way to get more subscribers on YouTube because it allows anybody who's watching your videos to quickly subscribe to your channel. So the first thing we need to do is download the image that will be our subscription button. I recommend going to Google and finding a pre-made image. To find it on Google, just search subscribe button. Then go to images. Then once images loads, go to tools. And then in the new menu bar, select color and go to transparent. All right, so we have this button right here. So now all I'm going to do while I'm still on Google is I'm going to right click the image and then save the image as. Now just save the image to your computer. After we've downloaded the image, the next thing we need to do is go to studio.youtube.com. So this should be where you upload and then edit the descriptions and everything for your YouTube videos. Once you get to studio.youtube.com, make sure you're logged in and then go down to the bottom left and hit settings. Once settings open, go ahead and select channel. And then in the top menu bar right here, we're going to select branding. So as you can see right here, this is where we can add a watermark to all of our videos, and that's going to be the subscription button. Now all we need to do is select choose image, find the image of the subscribe button that we just downloaded onto our computer, go ahead and open it up, and then it will show you a quick preview of what it will look like. In the display time here, we're going to select entire video because then it will show the subscribe button, the entire video. You can also select just for the end of the video or even a custom time for when it starts showing it. After that, just go ahead and select save. If it doesn't show up instantly on all of your videos, give it a couple hours, maybe up to 24 hours. It should start showing up. It just takes the system a little bit of time to update. So that's how you add a subscribe button to all of your YouTube videos. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more YouTube tutorial videos, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.